Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubble letters in Roblox. Roblox offers a fantastic rich text feature, allowing you to customize your in-game messages and signs. To achieve that cool bubble letter look, you'll primarily use a specific tag. This simple method lets you make your text stand out, adding a fun and unique touch to your communication within the game. It's a straightforward trick that many players enjoy. Applying the bubble letter tag is super easy. Just type the B tag right before the words you want to make bubbly, and then close it with /B immediately after. For example, B hello/B will display hello in bubble letters. You can use this trick in many places, like the in-game chat, on custom signs you create, or even in descriptions within your own experiences. The fun doesn't stop with just bubble letters. You can actually combine this effect with other rich text options. Imagine having bold, italicized, and colorful bubble letters all at once. Simply nest the tags, placing one inside another. For instance, to make text both bubbly and italic, you would write BI your text here /I/B. This opens up a world of creative possibilities for your messages. Here are a couple of important tips for using bubble letters. Remember that the tags themselves, like B and /B, count towards any character limits in chat or text boxes. So, keep your messages concise. Also, while rich text is widely supported, some older games or specific platforms might not display these effects perfectly. Always test it out to see if your bubble letters appear as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.